Alright, let's make a combination of an unboxing of these two Subaru rally cars and kind of an ASMR thing. So if you like the sound of old diesel Mercedes, you're gonna love this. If not, not so much. Ready? Here we go. That sound? I do. It's a 5-cylinder. All right, back to the lecture at hand. Alright, let's take these things out. They're far from perfect. I noticed that the bumper cover was not really aligned ideally when I first saw these in the store. And it shows more so than on the blue one, which is definitely, I prefer the blue one with the classic Subaru colors, but it's still pretty awesome. I like it. It's cool. Love bug eyes. Bug eyes are probably my favorite. The Hawk eyes for Subarus are my second favorite, I would say. Not this Hawk eye. I know some people call this the Hawk eye, but I'm talking about the one that was the same generation as the silver car here, but just had the more Eagle style headlights, like an old 5 Series from the early 2000s. Check that out. Nice. I like these. They're pretty cool. This is the newer of the two. So it's a 16 WRX STI. Second to last generation. And this is this would be a 2002 to 2004, if I remember correctly, this body style and these headlights, these bug eyes. Pretty awesome. They did do a nice job with these. I like the wing. It's mostly a win. You got side view mirrors on them. A lot of my prototypical complaints, I can't necessarily lob the same usual complaints at them that I have in the past. These are pretty awesome. I like them. So good job, Hot Wheels. The rally cars, they're winning formula. People all over the world love rally cars.